Hello guys, welcome back to WoutUbiz. In today's video, we are going to learn about customization setting in Zoho Books. Now in the homepage of Zoho Books, we navigate to settings. You can see under this setting, we have an option called General. We have to click on this General. Under General, we have a 5 module: customer, vendors, items, content, project, timesheet. First, I'm going to click on customer and vendor. What is customer and vendor module? This generate the customer vendor number automatically. See, you can if you need this option, for example, you need to enable customer number or you need to enable the vendor number, on what setting you need for your company, you can set it. And you can see default customer type. You can, based on your business, whether it is a individual or a business type or your customer, we have to select the details. Then customer credit limit. What does it means? It help you to set the limit on the outstanding receivable amount of an customer you provide. Then multi-currency. Then when you send any invoice or vendor bill address format, it is provided in which format we need. For the example, you can see this content, display name, their address, city. This is all compulsory. Next, we can go to fields. Now, fields. In this field, in this, when you want to create any field, for example, see, in this, we don't have any field. Your business want to know whether a customer belongs to retailer, wholesaler, or distributor. There will be a various customer. So in this, I'm going to click on new field. For customer or vendor, I'm going to click on this. I'm going to provide my label name as customer category. In this, you can see we have a data type. It will be always a text box, single line, or a mail, a URL, a phone number, decimal. Depending on it, you have to select. In this, I'm going to select a simple email type only. I will select. Then after providing all these details, you need to provide, and you click on this save. You can see this custom field has been created for custom category. So by using this, you can easily identify whether your customer belongs to manufacturer, retailer, or wholesaler, or distributor, like that. Another option we have is record locking. What does record locking means? When you this record locking help you to protect the important information from unauthorized change. For example, you can take when you have your customer have one GST number, but you don't want to know your sales executive to know that number. In that case, you can use this record locking. Record locking will be accessed only by your admin. Next, we have another option called buttons. Then, what is button used? Custom button, you can help you to perform the action. For example, you have to create a new customer. Like I'm going to create, when every new customer come, I want to create some welcome email so that it will notify the sales team. That time you can create it. Related list. This related list is used when you want to access the outside. For example, you can say if you want to display any additional information related to your customers. Suppose you're using something in your Zoho desk for customer support. Related to that information you want to display in Zoho Books, that time you can configure this related list. You can provide this list name what you want, and you have to provide all this. You can see already we have a code related to it. It's a predefined code. After providing all these details, you can click on save. Still, I didn't provide the list name. When I will put it simply here as a Zoho desk. After I product, and you can see who can view this related list. Only me, only selectives role, or everyone. In this, I'm going to choose only me. I'm going to click on save. You can see my related list also is being successfully created, so that any issues happen in the desk, it can be available in the Zoho Books. Next, we have another tab that is important, items. You can see in this item, first we have to preference. You can set the decimal rate for your item quantity. It can be like 0, 1, 2. Depending on your company needs, you can set it. Default inventory valuation method. It will be, we have various options like first in, first out, or weighted average, fast moving average. But for my companies, I need first in, first out. I have selected that option. You can see another option like allow duplicate item name. If you allow duplicate item name, it importing item will use SKU as a primary field for mapping. Yes, you can, as we have discussed, the SKU is a unique element to identify an item. So when you use this any duplicate, when the two item become the same, then there will be a no unique item. So that time we use the SKU for identifying an item. Price list. This enable you to customize the rate of your item depending on your sales and purchase transaction. You can see we have two options. Like you can apply the price list at line item level. Line item level means only for selected item, not for every item. You can't apply this. Next, I'm going to click on fields. You can see in this fields, this has been predefined. For my company need, for me, SKU is mandatory. Preferred vendor, selling price, purchase price, image, MRP. These are all the mandatory field I have created. When you want to create any other new field, for example, you can choose I will choose the size. In this, we provide the data type here as the number. Okay, size will be always number. After I provide this, I will click on the save. You can see now the size that is being created. In this, you can see this is the permanent field. So it is showing as locked, but this is created now only. If any field you don't need also, you can make it as an inactive. For example, when I click on this active, when I click this, you can see we have an option to mark as inactive or delete. Next, validation rules. What is validation rules? Validation rules help you to validate the data you entered while creating, editing, or converting transaction to prevent the user. For example, it allow the user to enter the current information before saving and record. For example, suppose your sales executive, when he is creating one bill, he will put the purchase price as 50,000 instead of an 45,000. So that time we can use this validation rule. So it will help you to solve that problem. Again, record locking. To lock any important personal information related to admin, we use this. Again, we have the same button. In this also, if you want any other new field like that, you can create. For example, in this, we have created size. That size you can choose ML, and another category in cloth or neck design, that like you can create here. Next, related list. In this also same, if you want to see the inventory details directly in Zoho Books, you can use this new related list and you can create and you can view it. This is about customization setting in Zoho Books, guys. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe to WoutUbiz. Thank you, guys. We will see next video.